But I just wanted to bob in to say that in the next week, the 1st of July, my next Wednesday podcast, which is what I plan to do future-wise, is mainly to try and keep them on Wednesday. On my next Wednesday podcast, I'm beginning a members section on my videos, so you can join at the bottom. There's usually a little button at the bottom with the videos to join, and so that you can get a preview of my videos before they're published. And I think they're usually without ads if you're not a premium subscriber. Also, so that's level 1 with a few little badges and emojis and things like that if you want them. And then the other level 2, may be interesting for you knitters who would like to try a new pattern. So I am going to start publishing my patterns for free to level 2 members only. So the costs are in the join button. So the first pattern that's going to come out in July is the Tress Nest Summer Tea, and along with that I'll put in the free pattern that's already out there, the Tress Nest Summer Shorts. So you'll get a shorts and t-shirt pattern. August time, I'm going to release the Evie Simple Yoke Sweater, which is what I've got on, and it's such an all-rounder. You can make short tops, long tops, short sleeves tops, longer sleeve tops, dresses out of that pattern. It's an all-rounder. So that is coming out in August. Then September, I am hoping that the Hirossi cardigan will be ready. I'm pretty sure it will be. I'm going to put that up as a free pattern in September for my members only. That's level 2 members. So yeah, so that's the next 3 months coming. After that, there will be other patterns being released that are in progress at the moment. I thought this would give the opportunity to be able to have some of my patterns without having to go into Ravelry or the website or something like that. At least you see me most weeks on the channel. So yeah, and this also helps me as well, as you will have watched my previous video on my why I knit, or why I'm knitting through it, that I'm sort of branching out my work ethic a little. I'm sort of not trying to do so much eye work because of the condition in my left eye. So I thought it would be much better to release what I already have and release what I can in the process of doing over the next 6 months, and let's see how it goes. If it's successful, brilliant. I shall get help in to get the knitting patterns out, because I've got plenty, as you know. I've got 345 episodes on this channel, and all of them have something different on them. So please go back through the videos, have a binge, and because that helps me as well. when you watch my videos, it all counts up to my watch hours, and those are important to allow me to earn a little wage from it. I'm not going to get an awful lot, I understand that. It just helps, you know what I mean? It helps pay the milk bill, the electric bill, and everything else bill that we get through the door. And of course, you know, I do try out yarns as well. I'm gone more towards the cheaper yarns at the moment because it's just it becomes too expensive, particularly when you knit at the rate I do. Knitting for me is good, actually, because it's stressless as opposed to squinting at a screen, you know what I mean, with the old eye. So, yeah. So, yes, you'll help me very much with that. Okay, so I hope that hasn't been too much of a ramble, but I think you get the point. Please let me share my knitting patterns with you, and perhaps later on, as I get used to this, I might be able to put in some tutorials. I have done a couple of little tutorials anyway for the Evie sweater and for the Tresness Summer Tea, so they will naturally go in anyway. I'll put them in as members only. Yeah, so I'm excited about it. I hope you are, and you know, keep following on with me because I'm not going anywhere. And as you know, as knitters, we're always knitting something. I've got on my my little headband today. I suppose you would call it a bad hair day. The hair's growing, look at that. Woo, 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 woo. I can't believe how long it's growing. Anyway, so, yeah, so I'll see you next Wednesday with a new video with a catch-up on all we've knitted in the last 6 months. And there is a heck of a lot. So if you're a new viewer, this is the place to be. So please come and join me, literally, on the join button, or I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye now, and keep knitting.